Mr. Vatsal is very frustrated by paying heavy electric bill of air conditioner. He was always worried about high electric bill and was not able to find a solution. One day her friend advised him to buy PKLS solar AC. PKLS solar AC was like conventional air conditioner but at the name suggests works on solar power, inverter batteries and electricity. It works on very low voltage, that is 800 watts, and save up to 80% of electric bill. This PKLS AC comes with three options. First, PKLS AC runs on direct solar panel used where it is low or little access to electricity like rural areas. Second, PKLS AC that can run on inverter battery. Third, PKLS AC that's run on electricity, useful for those who actually wants to reduce their electricity bill. Mr. Vatsal purchased his solar AC and he is now happily running the solar AC even during shutdowns or power cuts and also saving lots of his electricity bill. For more information and booking, visit our website www.pklsinfra.com or call on these numbers.